To change keyboard sound to pink in Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, open Good Lock, swipe up home screen to access the app screen, and then select Good Lock. Next tap Keys Cafe. Select Style Your Own Keyboard, and then tap Sound. Select Pink Touch Sound, and then to preview, tap keyboard icon, and then you can hear Pink Touch Sound. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.